Hello again. Thanks for tuning in again. And we have seen the previous video how we generate the raw patient, those fake patient data, and how we use PDI to transform those data to the format that we can use it here. Now is the most exciting moment, personally, I think, is to make those data visualize to us, tell us those what's the meaning behind those data. And here is a tool. Pentaho Business Analytic is the tool to help us to visualize the data. So without further delay, let's create a analyze report. And by clicking the tab that I see create in here, and we don't see any of the data source here yet, so we need to add one there. Let's click the plus sign here and add a data source. The data source we created was a Santa Clara County. We do a short form SC County, 301 patients, and the type is the CSV file, and let's look for it. And if you still remember, I think I still remember, my memory is not that good, it's under demo, and this is the raw data, I believe, and the patient's record, and the output, right? The transform outputs is the one that we want to look into. That's the one. Let's open it and import it there. Let's double check. It's really nice if we give you the few preview rows. Yes, that is the one. And the signature changes, we added the patient counts, we separated the admission month, days, and year, and we probably take care of the heights. Yes, here with the most more user-friendly format. So it looks good. It's the one that we wanted to use and do next. And we keep everything the same using the default. Finished. And keep the default model. That's fine. And we look for the data source we just inputted, which is this one. It's okay. Now once the data source come in, we can start to do our work. And how about we track remember I mentioned about the patients counts. I want to see how many patients. This is a measurement. So you see there's a measuring tape here, and all the measuring tape here is go to measurement category, and let's track years. How about that? We want to know which years. So we have 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, and each year has had that many number of patients admitted. And now it's a simple table. We can look at the bar format and go horizontal here, and maybe we can change it to a multiple series looking, so that a different bar become a series looking. But again though, I want to do some trending. That the horizontal bar kind of strange looking. Let me move this back, and then we do column. Now it's checking on bar. Let's do column. Now we have a column looking. So down here, and also provided me a trending option. That's wonderful. So we can do a linear trending. See the trend line here is kind of thin. Let's make it a little bit thicker. Now we can see a clear trend line here. It's trending up year by year. Okay, since this is healthcare business, for the public healthcare per se, the Santa Clara County is getting more sick people. Again, this is random fake data, but on the business wise, as healthcare is in a good business. But anyways, I just want to show that how easily we can change this and then see some trending. I'll just give another example here. Let's not do the year. I can drop it here. Let's see all one big square, so only the patients counts. And let's do something more interesting. How about we do the state? We know it's all in California state, so one big square. Let's see that. And we want to see the visualize thing. It's geomap. You see only one big red dot in the middle of California. So we're doing Santa Clara County. Let's zoom into Santa Clara County then. So I need to zoom in a little bit more. I'm getting close. I see Gilroy, I see Santa Cruz. Maybe that's good, right? That's about right. We have Morgan Hills. That looks good. And we'll keep it here. This is state. And let's go back to the table. Now we put in city. Drop it here. So you see that in the California, I have all this city. And in this patient number distributed across this city. We're kind of sort of already visually seeing the distribution. I think San Jose is the biggest, and then that more or less related to the size, I believe. Well, yeah, it's more related to the size. And I forgot to mention, like the chart earlier, we see we can link remember the trending getting higher and higher every year. If we have another set of data like population growth or any environmental change or any event change, we can tie that to why the patient's trending is higher, and that will be really interesting information to see. Is a city planning, they may want to plan why this is the water, is the air, is anything. So this is what I meant by really exciting. We can see that right now with the data. Now it's more interesting, we see all this right now. Let's go back here to check out map. You see that it's all the way here, and we have all the city San Jose, and then we can even change it. Now it's by color. We can change it by size, and they can see that match up with what we're seeing. The San Jose got the bigger size, and more interestingly, we can do well, how about this? We drop the zip codes in there, because within the city it's code, but on the map it won't show the zip code. But I want to show you that. I still want to show you that. We have the postal zip code. Where did it go? Down here. You can drop it in here. Now you can see inside the big bubbles. You can move around. See that? In the different zip code, you can have different number of patients. 12 in 94087, 95015 has 7. So it's really powerful. You can visualize the whole thing on the map. And let's drop the zip code out, and we can even check the gender. Drop it in here. You can move it around. Now it's all male, 6 male, and then how can we change it to female? Simply go in here, sort it from C to A. Now it's all female. And as I keep saying, it's really powerful, really useful. You can visualize and changing all different criteria to see things. And let's see to check the age. How about that? It's the same thing. You see different ages, 95, 85, and different count. So I think I've done enough to show the flexibility, the powerful of this tool, and the combination's endless. and then we can generate different reports, and we can even come here to select greater minus than whatever top 10, and those are the tools that we can quickly use to analyze the raw data. And in the later session, I will try to combine. I'm just scratching the surface of all the information. Think about that. I created in the data generator tool. We also created the vital sign. We can link the vital sign to the area, and blood pressure, obesity, and compare city to city, and then find out is anything wrong, and compare to the city events, a number of restaurant compared to obesity. As I say, this tool give you the power to analyze or bring those data to a visual report, and the PDI is help you to blend those data together, create a format that can generate the reports. I hope you enjoy this short video, and again, this is really powerful tool. Or we have more small video coming out later, and thank you for watching the video again. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.